Yo, what is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be going over mutant cats and why I believe it is the next blue chip NFT. I believe this thing can 5x easily. I'm going to be showing you why. This project is insane. If you guys are new to NFTs, make sure to stick around, or if you just want to find crazy gems, I have quite a lot of them, then make sure to subscribe and stay around. But let's dive into this. So we go on to the Mutant Cats OpenSea. There's 10,000 items, 731 holders. That's a little off. As you see in the description, there's about 5,000 holders. So there's a 2-to-1 ratio, and that is very good. But the reason it says that there's only 700 holders, I don't know why I stuttered on that, is because there's 90% of these motherfuckers are staked. 90% of a project is staked. That means the holders believe in this project so much they're willing to stake their shit because the future's so bright in this project. Like, I'm showing you guys a hidden fucking gem. The floor price is only 0.65, which is unbelievable, man. I bought in this shit at 1.5 and I still believed in it. I still believe in it now, and I think we are going to about 2 to 3 Ethereum. That is my prediction in the next month or two. Hopefully the NFT market does pick up, because let's be honest, everything has shit in the fucking bed, man. But over here, there's 10,000 in the collection, right? There's less than 300 available to buy because the holders want to hold on to these guys because you earn passive income. Not really passive income because you can't say that, but you earn fish tokens. You earn 10 fish per day per cat you own. So I'm making 20 fish a day, and right now it's only $20, which is insane. But when I first got in, I was making like $250 a day, which is pretty fucking cool, right? I believe it's going to go back up because in a week staking comes out for gorillas, and that will drive the utility up. A few of them just got delisted. They probably just staked them because everyone's trying to earn this fish. But there's 279 available to buy. As we see, the lowest one's 0.65, which is $2,900. And the floor is super thin, okay? Look, we have 5 of them under 0.7, and then the next 5 it goes right to 0.75. And there's only a few of them to get down here to almost 1 ETH again. I mean, that only takes one whale, and whales come into this project often because so many people believe in this project. Mutant Cats have been out for about a month. You see over here, they had a really crazy run up all the way to 2. They're selling for about 2.5 ETH on this day, and I bought right here. Bought about 1.5. I bought 2 cats. I staked them bitches right away, because if you buy these, you gotta be staking them to earn your fish. And then, as you see, the whole market kind of took a dump. So I believe if you have some spare ETH, not financial advice, but I'd definitely take a look into this project. Now let's hop into the gorillas, which is the second half of this project, and it's going to be nuts. So they hosted 3 auctions for these. The first one was only for cat owners, which it was dumb because this auction was so high compared to the other ones. But I got into auction 1 for the mutant gorillas, and I bid 0.16, which was the minimum bid, and I bought 2 of them here. I really should have just waited for auction 2 and 3 because I could have got double the amount of gorillas for the same price. But I also hopped in auction 3, and I got one for 0.08. So I got 3 gorillas for 0.4 ETH pretty much, which is a bit of a stretch because if we look at the floor, it is down bad, but the reveal is tonight. I'm very excited about this. Maybe I get a top 50 gorilla and I can flip it for 0.5, maybe even 1 ETH. And I have a lot of crazy mints coming up, so if you guys want to be able to catch some good mints, get a nice little 5 to 10x with your Ethereum, make sure to subscribe, turn my notifications on, and we'll get the job done. We'll make some fucking money, boys. All right, how many people are selling their gorillas? Under 250 people are willing to sell their gorillas. I think these things are going to triple in price just in about 2 weeks, because staking is available next week, and then the reveal is tonight. I'm really hoping that I get a top 50 or a 1 of 1. That would be pretty cool. But look at this activity, man. Look how many are selling in an hour. Like, this is nuts. These just came out on OpenSea yesterday. The floor took a hit, but I think it's going to bounce right back up. Easy 3x for these. Mutant cats, easy 2 to 3x as well. But with the gorilla auction, the DAO raised $6 million. And if you guys don't know what a DAO is, the devs like have a wallet and they just purchase blue chip NFTs, and all the holders of mutant cats and mutant gorillas benefit from this. Gets a lot of attention from blue chip NFTs as well. They announce it on their Twitter, and then we can get some popular creators in the Discord and interested in the project, and that'll boost us up a little more. But with a DAO, they now have $6 million. In the DAO currently, they have cyberkongs, CryptoPunks, cool cats, the one painting that is like $1 million. I don't know what that shit's called, but it's wild. This project is going to be the next blue chip. If we come over to cyberkongs, you see that the babies are going for 6 Ethereum. Now that is a stretch for mutant cats and gorillas. I don't think it's going to reach 6 Ethereum, or not anytime soon. Maybe in like 6 months, but because 6 Ethereum, that's a lot of fucking money, guys. For one, $27,000 for one little picture. Like, bro, that's life-changing money to a lot of people. But the mutant cats is kind of going the same route as cyberkongs did. So with the gorillas, you will be able to stake them in a week, and then you can feed your gorillas fish, and then the gorillas produce serums, and then you can breed your mutant cats and create a cured cat, and then you can sell the offspring. So I believe this project is going to blow up. But that is about it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you have a good day. Subscribe for more NFT content, and peace out.